Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about moisturization, right? Moisturization for 4 type hair, in particular my hair, which is a 4B, 4C type hair. In today's video, I have 2 specific ways that I show you how I moisturize my hair, which is the baggying method or the greenhouse effect method, and using aloe vera leaf juice. So the first thing I want to start off with is the bagging method. This is a throwback for me. I have not done this since I was transitioning probably about 6 years ago. I don't know. I think I think my math's a little off on that one, but it was a while ago. I used to do the bagging method at least once a week to help keep my natural hair and my relaxed hair both moisturized without adding too much product, because I found that my relaxed hair did not like certain things that my natural hair did, and vice versa. So really, I just tried to find the simplest way to moisturize them both without experiencing a lot of breakage. And to be honest, I don't know why I stopped doing the bagging method, because it really did work. I think just being a lazy natural, you know, just not wanting to do much to it, keep always in buns and stuff like that. So anyways, let me just show you guys what I used to do. I know it's gonna work really good on my 100% fully natural hair, so stay tuned. All right, so first things first, let me show you guys how dry my hair is right now. Let's take all this down. This is probably 2 weeks without any without washing it. I blow dried it and didn't really do much to it, kind of left it in buns and stuff like that. Impromptu length check, guys. Now I gotta stand up for my length checks. So this is where I'm pulling, this is my waistline. Yeah, so basically this is my hair. I want to zoom in for you guys so you can see the level of dryness right now. It's not really detangled, so it's going to look really piecey, but this is where we are right now. Yeah, pretty sad. So now that my hair is down, let me show you what I'm going to use. I'm going to use water, and I just put this in an old like heat protectant bottle that I had that I ran out of. Why waste the bottle when you could just use a little sprayer? So this is only water in here. I have a shea butter mix that I made. I make them a lot, actually. I make them quite often. So shea butter and some other products. I make it smell like watermelon. I love watermelon. So that's what that looks like. Some clippies and a bag. Target. And that's really it. You want to keep it simple. So the first thing I do is just split it down into 2 sections. And then now I have this part free, and I just spray it lightly with the water, especially in my roots. Okay, so now that my roots are sprayed, whatever oils that are already on my hair, I use to give myself a scalp massage. I try not to add extra oils to my hair, especially heavy ones like, not to my hair, I'm sorry, to my scalp, especially heavy ones like shea butter, because it will clog your pores. And you want your hair to breathe if you want it to grow. So just use the natural oils or the sebum on your scalp to give yourself a scalp massage, a couple minutes. But I put the water in to help me get through my hair because it's dry. Also, by doing this, which I believe is called scritching, after you do this, the oils that are on your scalp actually get a little bit lifted, right? Lifted, they go up and through your hair, through your hair follicles, so that your hair will get moisturized as well. So definitely a win-win right here. I also want to do the scalp massage to kind of revitalize my scalp by bringing some blood flow to it. Will help attract hair growth as well. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna spray water throughout the rest of my hair, but very lightly, nothing crazy. If we're gonna be sleeping with this, you don't want it to be drenched. You don't want your hair to be soaking wet, and you have a soaking wet scalp while you're sleeping. You want it to be very light, enough to cause some steam, right? Some gas house effects, some greenhouse effects. Sorry, not gas house. Not gas house. Let's try to get in the middle. And because my hair, I have so much hair follicles, I gotta make sure I split it in half to get the inside, because it likes to play tricks on me. Already, that feels so much better. Wow. Just water, H2O. Who knew? All right, so I'm taking some of my shea butter product, good amount, definitely more than a quarter size amount, and just taking that through the middle to the ends of my hair. And remember, I'm staying away from my scalp. Also, because I usually go 2 weeks without washing my hair, if I put oil on my scalp, that's gonna make my hair more, my scalp especially, dirtier quicker. And I don't wanna do that, right? I wanna try to keep my scalp as clean as possible. I'm just gonna add a little bit more to the ends. A little bit more water. All right, because the ends, the oldest part of your hair is the ends, right? So you wanna keep that the most moisturized. I also do the same thing for the back of my head. All right, so it's best to, especially when you have type 4C hair, is to not leave it loose like this, because it will just shrink up on you. So I'm gonna braid it down. Now, if my hair was a little bit more detangled, I would flat twist it, this whole side. But because it's not right now, at least not yet, I'm not gonna manipulate my hair, especially when I don't have a lot of conditioner in it, right? And today's only about moisturization. It's not about like a pre-wash or pre-poo or anything like that. So I'm just trying to show you what I would do if I wasn't planning on washing my hair today. And I wouldn't just slather it with conditioner, I would just do this. So that's one side braided. Now moving on, doing the same thing to this side. And I'm gonna get a plastic bag. You can also use a plastic shower cap, but I don't have one. So I'm using a Target bag. So you wanna keep your ends as close to the scalp as possible. And once that is closed, I'm using a scarf, or you can use a satin cap or whatever you have on hand, but you want to make your head warm. So you need to add some layers to it. My ends feel nourished, very soft. All right, Tarjay bag came through.